All right, let's get one thing straight. Succeeding on YouTube, it isn't just about uploading videos. It's about learning and growing and improving every single day. If you're ready to treat this like a journey, not just a destination, let's dive in. Hi, I'm Jake, and if you're over 40, then this is your second win success. On this channel, I help people just like you to start over and build successful businesses right here on YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting. You imagine the views rolling in, the comments pouring out, and the subscribers hitting that button. But here's what no one tells you. YouTube is a journey of constant learning. Growth doesn't just happen. It's earned through effort, experimentation, and self-improvement. When you commit to YouTube, you're committing to something bigger than just making videos. You're committing to becoming a better creator, communicator, and problem solver every single day. The truth is, this daily commitment can feel totally overwhelming at times. The learning curve can be steep. From editing software to your analytics, there's always something new to figure out. And mistakes can feel personal. When a video flops or the views don't come in, it is easy to feel like you've failed. Consistency is hard. Balancing creativity and consistency and real life can feel like a huge juggling act. But the good news, every challenge is an opportunity to learn. Every step forward is progress, no matter how small. Here's what makes this daily commitment so rewarding. You discover new skills. Every video you make teaches you something new. How to tell a story, connect with an audience, or improve your production quality. You become resilient. Growth requires perseverance, and YouTube will teach you how to bounce back stronger after every setback. You will connect with others. Sharing your journey inspires and helps others while building a community around your channel. You evolve as a creator. The person you become through this process is one who's more confident, more skilled, and more capable than you ever imagined. The real beauty of YouTube isn't just in the results. It's in the growth you experience along the way. To start this channel, I had to learn a lot. My camera presence is still a bit, maybe more than a bit, awkward. But I committed to learning. Every day I watch tutorials on YouTube. I study my analytics and I test new ideas. There have been moments when I felt stuck or frustrated, but I keep reminding myself that this isn't about being perfect. It's about getting better little by little. Now every video I make is a reminder of how far I've come. And look, I know, I've only been uploading videos for a few days, but it has taken months and really years for me to get this far. And the best part, I know that there's still so much more to learn and to achieve. So if you're ready to commit to growth, here's how to make it happen. Set a learning goal. Choose one skill to focus on improving, be it editing, storytelling, or your SEO. Dive into resources and practice consistently. Analyze your videos. Look at what's working and what's not working. Use your analytics to identify opportunities for improvement. Experiment fearlessly. Try new formats, new topics, and different styles. And some will work, some won't. But every experiment teaches you something valuable. Embrace the feedback. Listen to your audience's comments and use them to refine your approach. Take time each week to celebrate what you've learned and set goals for what's next. Growth isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up, trying, and learning from the process. Success on YouTube isn't about one big breakthrough. It's about the small, consistent actions you take every day. Every video you make, every lesson you learn, and every improvement you implement is a step closer to your goal. Growing isn't something you achieve. It's something you live day in and day out. I know how overwhelming it can feel to commit to daily growth, especially when you're starting out. But you're already on the right path. The fact that you're here, willing to learn and improve, is proof of your dedication. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. So here's your challenge. Write down one area you want to grow in as a creator. Take one action today, whether it's watching a tutorial, analyzing your latest video, or trying a new editing technique. Committing to YouTube means committing to yourself to become a better creator, communicator, and learner every single day. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share in the comments below what skills you're working on this week. Let's all grow together, one day at a time. See you in the next one.